In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds on any device that supports Bluetooth. So the primary way to connect these is going to be over Bluetooth wirelessly. You can optionally download the Bose app, and in here you will be able to manage them, control the volume, and various different aspects, but this is optional, so keep that in mind. The only thing that you need to use them over Bluetooth is going to be to enable it on your device. So if you are using a smartphone, for example, an iPhone, you go over to the settings and access the Bluetooth category. The same thing can be done for Android, and of course, any other device that supports Bluetooth, such as a TV, your PC, or even a laptop, consoles, and so on. There's a lot to choose from, and I won't list all of them. Just enable Bluetooth, and now, the first time that you take your earbuds and you open the lid on the case, as long as they are properly inserted, both earbuds inside of the case with the lid open, you will see this little light flash. Usually it is going to flash blue or some sort of other color. As long as you see this flashing, it indicates that they have entered pairing mode. Once they are in pairing mode, all that you have to do is look under the list of available devices. You will be able to select them here, and then you can choose them from the list to properly connect them. They will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery, and if they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect. You just have to put them back inside of the charging case to let them charge for a while. If for whatever reason, when you open the lid with the earbuds inside, it doesn't go into pairing mode, then press this button at the back of the case. This is also going to force the earbuds to go into pairing mode, so just choose whichever option you prefer. Either try putting them back inside of the case and then open the lid slowly, or just press and hold the pairing button until it appears on the list of available devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.